Hello everybody, my name is Cole and welcome to the first episode of How to Design Levels for Video Games. I'm a third-year student at Centennial College's game development program, and an aspiring level designer who is currently completing my field placement for the final semester of the program. If you'd like to reach out to me and connect, here's how you can do so. Level design is the process of combining all of the different elements of a video game together in order to create an experience for the player. Overall, the purpose is to create situations or challenges for the player to engage with in the form of levels. Over the course of this series, we'll be taking an in-depth look at how levels are designed. Some of the things we'll be doing include exploring each aspect of the level design process, from establishing a simple concept all the way to creating a fully playable prototype, how to recognize design flaws in our levels, and how we can apply the different principles of level design to our levels to create better player experiences. This is a level that I've been working on, inspired by the dungeons from the classic top-down games from the Legend of Zelda series. You'll get to see how I created this dungeon from beginning to end. By the time this series is finished, you'll have everything you'll need to know in order to start designing your own levels for players to enjoy. I'll be using a couple of different tools over the course of the series to demonstrate my concepts. First off, I'll be using Adobe Illustrator to draw rough diagrams of different ideas I wish to explain more clearly. I'll also be using Tiled, a tile mapping software, to create a detailed visual prototype of my dungeon. And lastly, I'll be using Super Dungeon Maker on Steam to create a playable prototype of the dungeon. It's a Zelda-inspired level creation game that allows players to make their own dungeons, similar in style to Super Mario Maker. It's still in early access, but since there isn't really any other level design tool out there right now that lets you create Zelda-style levels, it will do the trick. So there we go. I'm very excited to get started on all of this, and I hope you are too. Next episode, we'll get started by going over what defines a level, examples of different types of level design, and an overview of the process of creating a level. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.